Terminal velocity is the maximum velocity that a body can reach. To understand this better, let us consider the falling raindrop. The raindrop falls from very high up, so due to the acceleration of gravity, we would expect the ball to speed up and reach very high speeds before hitting the ground. Have you ever wondered why it doesn't? The instant it is formed in the cloud, the only force acting on it is its weight, vertically downwards. That can easily be quantified and is equal to its mass times g. During its whole fall, its weight will not change. Gravitational force will remain constant. The net force acting on the raindrop, therefore, is the gravitational force. According to Newton's second law, the raindrop will therefore accelerate in the direction of this force, and the acceleration is given by F net, which is m times g, divided by the mass of the raindrop, which is m, and that gives us an initial acceleration of g. Now, if the acceleration remained g throughout its fall, the raindrop would in fact hit with very high speeds. As the raindrop now begins to move or fall through the air, it picks up speed, and therefore there's a new force acting on it, the air resistance, which acts in the opposite direction to the motion. Due to the opposing air resistance force, the net force acting on the raindrop now reduces. As the net force reduces, then the acceleration also reduces. But there is still an acceleration, and therefore the raindrop will continue picking up speed in the downward direction. As it speeds up, of course, the size of the air resistance force also increases. This will continue to happen until the size of the air resistance equals exactly the size of the weight. When these two forces, the air resistance and the weight, are balanced, then there is no resultant force. So according to Newton's first law, the body will move at constant speed. This speed is known as the terminal velocity. So the terminal velocity is the maximum speed that a body can move at under the action of a force, for example here the weight force. It will not continue accelerating forever because of the air resistance force.